In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Elementor in WordPress Localhost. So first thing you need to do is you just need to head over to your WordPress Localhost. So granted, if you have your localhost, that means that it's actually installed onto your computer and not online. Or if you have a WordPress online, you can go over to wordpress.com and then sign in to your account or log in. Or if you do not have an account yet, just head over and get started. So if you have the local host, that means that it's actually saved to a particular place on your PC. So it's usually into this, just put in your local host and then input your WordPress folder, then input WP admin to that in order to go over to your WordPress. Now, it actually looks similar to the one online. So here are the steps in order to do this. For on your actual homepage, you can see this left sidebar. Go over to plugins right here and click on it. Now, once you have done that, click onto the search bar right here and search in here for Elementor. Once you have searched for it, you can click onto this gear icon or to this particular search icon and you can see this Elementor website builder by elementor.com. Make sure to install this one and not the others. Click on it right here. And then once you have done that, it should be able to actually show up into this part. As you can see, you should only be able to install this if you have a business plan available, so make sure to subscribe to your plan. Now click on this install and activate, and you can choose in here wherein you want to install it. I'll choose in here my actual thing. Let's head over and click onto this continue option. Then this will set up this plugin and install it for me. So you can just wait for this plugin to be installed altogether into your site. So as you can see, Elementor is now added and you can actually see that it's already activated. And when you head over to your website, you can see that we have in here the Elementor right now. So you can utilize it when you're actually building your website. So that's how you install Elementor in WordPress localhost. Hope we helped.